media personnel present here. I am addressing you all about the unfortunate incident on the night of 13th March, wherein a serving colonel, Colonel Pushpinder Singh Bath of the Indian Army, was assaulted by certain Punjab policemen outside a dhaba at Patiala. The Army was informed about the incident on 15th of March afternoon, and since then this issue has been addressed with due alacrity both at the state and at the district levels. The officer was shifted from the civil hospital to the military hospital and thereafter underwent treatment at Chandimandir at the command hospital and is presently recuperating from his injuries. The matter was very strongly taken up with the highest echelons of the state administration and the Punjab police for prompt investigation and delivery of justice. The Punjab police, while regretting this incident, they have regretted the undesirable actions on part of their personnel. They have identified the policemen involved and issued their immediate suspension as well as transfer out of Patiala. Thereafter, an FIR based on the complaint launched by Colonel Pushpinder Singh Bath was registered at the Civil Lines Police Station on 22nd of March 25 under the relevant sections of the Bharatiya Nyay Sanhita. The probe is now being undertaken by the Special Investigation Team under an additional Director General of Police to be completed in the earliest possible time frame. The Punjab Police, under the leadership of the Director General of Police, has reiterated their profound respect for the Indian Army and its personnel, emphasizing that such an incident is just an undesirable aberration and contrary to the values that they uphold in their organization. We reiterate the need for a fair and honest investigation in a transparent and a very time-bound manner to punish the guilty and restore faith in the system. The guilty police personnel should be punished in a timely and an exemplary manner so that the incident does not vitiate the atmosphere and affect the long-cherished bonhomie between the civil administration and Punjab police with the serving and retired army personnel. I, through the media, assure the serving officers, esteemed veterans, and the public at large that all possible steps are being taken to ensure that the Indian Army officer, Colonel Pushpinder Singh Bath, who was assaulted upon by the police personnel, gets due justice. However, I would also urge all sections to remain calm and composed so that we do not fall prey to the designs of any inimical elements. In the end, I would like to assure all that the Indian Army remains fully committed to pursuing the case to its logical conclusion. Jai Hind.
Can you name the person who has been...
Good afternoon. At the outset, I want to thank the officers of Indian Army's Western Command, Chandimandir, for their proactivity and maintaining constant coordination and liaison with the Government of Punjab and the Punjab Police ever since the unfortunate incident of assault on an army officer by some police officials which occurred on the intervening night of 13th-14th March 2025 came to light. The continuous contact between the army authorities and the civil administration has helped in speedy resolution of the matter and ensuring delivery of justice to the aggrieved army officer. An FIR in the matter on the statement of Colonel Pushpinder Singh Bhatt has been registered in Police Station Civil Lines, Patiala on March 22nd. The statement of Colonel Bhatt names the police officials who assaulted him and also attributes the role to each of the police officials. A high-level special investigation team headed by Shri SPS Parmar, ADGP Law and Order, and including Shri Sandeep Malik, SSP Hoshiarpur, and Manpreet Singh, SP Mohali, has been constituted for conducting investigations in a fair and expeditious manner. The SIT has been directed to conduct the investigation on a day-to-day basis for collection of evidences and further legal proceedings in order to ensure that the culprits are proceeded against as per law. The SIT has been directed to conclude the investigation at the earliest. The concerned police officials have been placed under suspension and departmental proceedings for major penalty have been initiated. The police officials have been transferred out of district Patiala in order to ensure that the investigations can be conducted in a fair manner. Security cover has been provided to the family of Colonel Pushpinder Singh Bhatt. Punjab Police reiterates its highest respects for the Indian Army and is committed to uphold and maintain the dignity of army officers. Any person who has assaulted the serving army officer shall be dealt with severely in accordance with law. The criminal investigation shall be completed swiftly so that the culprits are brought to book soon. Punjab Police has a tradition of valor and bravery and has jointly participated in many operations with the Indian Army and the Central Armed Police Forces. Punjab Police, with the support of the Army and the CAPFs, rooted out terrorism in this state in the early 1990s. In the current internal security scenario, close coordination is being maintained with the Indian Army and the Central Armed Police Forces in national interest. The unfortunate incident of assault on a serving army officer is an aberration which will be dealt with in accordance with law. I would appeal to everyone not to indulge in criticizing the situation or making the present situation into an army versus police one. The army and the Punjab Police are united in their resolve to work together for national interest. Thank you very much.